Hey everybody. So this will be the last video. This should be a short one. We're going to just try a few things with this configuration and see if we can make it a little bit better. Right now we have a static on the ASA, and what we know that this 1010-200 is being advertised into OSPF because the core switches have it, right? The core switches are getting it. Let me go to one of the core switches. Okay. Okay, so I'm on core 1 and show IP route 10.10.200.0/24, and here you can see it OSPF 1. So it's being advertised, this route is being advertised, and it says go to 10.150.255.2. It's saying send it over to this second one. And the reason it does that is because it knows this core router has the connection over here. All right, so let's get rid of that static route. Let's exit out of OSPF. Whoops. Show IP OSPF. Show run. What am I trying to do here? Include route. That's what I'm trying to do. So I'm going to do no, and I'm going to get rid of this route right here. Okay, so now if we do a show route, let's see what we see. So yeah, okay, so now we're fine. Because we're getting it here 10.10.200.0. We see the path there, so we should still be able to get over there. So let's do a ping. Let's jump on one of these. Let's jump on the DC here. Okay, that's good. Let's bring up a command line. And what we'll do is we'll ping 10.150.254.2, which is the interface, the inside interface of the Internet ASA. And let me show you that. Show interface IP brief. So there it is. 10.150.254.2. Let's see if that works. That should work. Yes, it does, because we have OSPF fully throughout here, so we don't need any static routes. The only static route we have left on this ASA, show run include route, is the one outside to this HSRP address. So the only one left is the HSRP.1 for these two routers. And there you can see that should be fine, because that's going to control which ISP we're going out and how we're routing outbound. All right, so now we have BGP on the outside on the internet, and then we have in here we're running OSPF in our core and out to this secondary location. Now this secondary location has its own internet, so it's going out this OpenSense firewall for internet, but for anything over here, if it had to connect, and we could join, I can ping 10.150.15.100, which is down here. It's the domain controller, and I should be able to, let's get back over here. And I have connectivity between those two also, because anything, well, let's look at the routes. Let's look at the routes here. So the route on this switch, enable show IP route, So yeah, let's discuss that. So we're going from this DC. Our destination is 10.150.15.100. So it hits here. It's going to look here. And you can see from OSPF, we got this. So it's going to send it to 7.12. 7.12 right here, core switch 2. So let's look. It's on here, show IP route. And again, we're looking for 10.150.15.0 right here. So it's going to send it out 10.150.15.3. So 15.3. So where is 15.3? It says it's direct attached. So let's see, show IP interface brief. Oh, 15.3. So VLAN 15, right? It knows that. So it's going to send it right out, right down. It should send it down E12 to this switch. And that switch is configured as a layer 2 switch. So it's just going to send it to the server right there. And then to get back, this is going to go to 15.1, which right now is on this core switch 1, 15.1. And 15.1, so to get back, it's got to go back to, where's it got to go back to? Let's see. 10.10.200. So it goes up here, it goes to 15.1, which is the core switch. Core switch 1, show IP route. So we're looking for 10.10 right here, 10.10.200. It knows to send that to 10.150.255.2, which is over this 147 connection, and that's going to go right over to here, core switch 2. So core switch 2, here it is, 10.150.255.2. So show IP route. So we're sending it back to 10.10.200. So it knows to send that to 192.168.7.2, which is on this switch. So it goes over here. And this switch, which is right here, receives that on 192.168.7.2, and it's going to forward it to 10.10.200.0. It knows about it because it's connected. VLAN 200. And that's how it gets back. So that's how we're going to trace that and see how everything is traveling and make sure that everything looks good. But right now, we've got that set up. OSPF is working on this network. And we don't have to put static routes everywhere and do all of that. And we can just allow this to straight up just easily work, and just anything we add, just make sure we add it to either OSPF or, you know, make sure it's set up correctly and put in, because this works great. All right, so thank you for everyone for watching. I hope you learned something. Thank you. Bye.